Hello everyone! Today I'm going to make asparagus. For this recipe, this is what you need. Some asparagus, it's already cleaned and I cut the ends. Some crushed garlic, olive oil, some butter and Parmesan cheese. Just make sure for this recipe you check out the description box below this video for all the measurement and ingredients that you need. Okay, first I'm gonna add some oil to the pan. And I'm gonna add the butter. Also add the garlic and mix. And you let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then it's all done. Okay, and I like to put mine on a plate. And there you have it. And what I like to do, just sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. And you can serve this next to any meat, seafood, whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe. Bye-bye!